Hi friends, good morning. Yesterday we have discussed integration, formulas and properties. So integration of x raised to n, integration of x raised to n, integration of, once again I am explaining, integration of x raised to n dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integration of 1 dx equal to x plus c. Integration of x dx equal to, this in the form of this, x square by 2 plus c. Integration of x square dx equal to x cube by 3 plus c. Integration of root x dx equal to x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Integration of 1 by x dx equal to log x. 1 by x dx is log x. This is not contained in this form. Integration of x raised 1 by x square dx, then integration of x power minus 2 dx, x raised to n, where n is minus 2, x power minus 1 by minus 1 equal to minus 1 by x. Next, integration of sin x dx equal to minus cos x. Correct. Integration of cos x dx equal to sin x. Integration of secant square x tan x. Integration of cosec square x minus cot x. Integration of sec x into tan x sec x. Integration of cosec x into cot x minus cosec x. Minus cosec x. See. What about integration of tan x? This is we don't know so far. We'll get further classes, we don't know. We know sin x, cos x, after that tan x, cot x, sec x, cosec x integration, we have not discussed. Okay, that we will discuss later. Now, next we have discussed integration of secant square x. Integration of secant square x dx equal to tan x. Integration of cosec square x dx equal to minus cot x. Integration of sec x into tan x dx equal to sec x. Integration of cosec x into cot x dx equal to minus cosec x. Integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx equal to sin inverse x or minus cos inverse x plus c. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. Integration of 1 by x into under root of x square minus 1 dx equal to sec inverse x or minus cosec inverse x. Right? What about integration of sin inverse x dx? Don't know. Okay, what I have discussed, those formulas compulsory should go through that. Behind those what I have not discussed, don't create, don't touch it. If you create, for example, if I ask this question, then you verify this is there in the standard formula or not. Okay, then only you will get the integration concept. Okay, for each and every problem, if you think your own creation is not possible here, you will get wrong answers. That's why, which is standard formula, that compulsory should go through that. You should remember compulsory. Then only you come to know that this standard formula or not. Okay. Simply, some students, I have been observing many students. Okay, they will write integration of sin inverse x equal to 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Blindly they will write, because they think that integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square equal to sin inverse x. The integration of sin inverse x equal to this they may think. But derivative of this is not integration of that. So this is wrong. Right? So next, integration of e raised to x dx equal to e raised to x dx. Integration of a raised to x dx equal to a raised to x by log a base plus. What about integration of 2 power x dx? 2 power x, is it contain this or this? A power x, because base is constant. So 2 power x by log 2 base e. Integration of 3 power x dx equal to 3 power x by log 3 base e. Like that. Integration of e power x dx, e power x by log e base e. Log e base e equal to 1. So you get e power x. E power x. Understood? E power x integration, a power x, these formulas should remember. Okay? Because writing sheet, okay, initially first 2 days should go to the formulas. If you don't know these formulas, very difficult by solving the problem. Because the problem depend on standard formula. Compulsory should buy these all formulas. Okay? Got a point? Root x, if you want to find, it's in the form of standard formula x raised to a. Integration of 1 by x cube, which is in the form of standard formula. Okay, so which is standard formula? Those problems only first we will discuss. Okay, which is not there, but further we will discuss. Okay, integration of cot x. Is it in the standard formula now? So far, no. It is standard formula, but so far we have not discussed. Tan x integration, cot x integration, sec x integration of cosec x. So far we don't know. Okay, integration of sec x into tan x is sec x. Integration of cosec x into cot x minus cosec x. Derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Within fraction of seconds, you should recall these formulas. Make it perfect. Because if you neglect the whole topics, you can't understand. It's very difficult. So basic, what I am discussing, you should hard work. If you not hard work, it's very difficult. Okay, because it's not easy. This is 22 marks. Next differential equation. Okay, next application of integral. These all topics depend on integration. Because differentiation is easy, this is different. Okay, it's not easy like that. So you will get lot of problem because sometimes while doing the integration problem, you will consider the differentiation concept. Okay, that's why you should identify which is concept useful for differentiation, which is applicable for integration. That you should identify. When you identify, finish. Both are easy. Here only you will get confusion. When you suppose for example some concept here, integration of tan x, here not there in the standard form, but in the differentiation formula it is there. By seeing that, don't create here so far. The way of finding how to find integration of tan x, that we will discuss later. Okay. Next, properties. Integration of f1x plus f2 of x dx. If it is like this, plus or minus, we can write integration of f1x plus integration of f2x dx. Next, integration of k into f of x dx equal to k take out integration of f of x dx. Okay, and integration of d by dx of integration of f of x dx equal to f of x. Integration nothing but antiderivative. So these formulas you write in white sheet. Okay, keep your packet. When you are free, you can go to that. Okay, now I am going to discussing some problems by using standard formulas. Now, integration x plus 3 by x dx. Integration of x plus 3 by x dx. So by property, integration of x dx plus integration of 3 by x dx. Correct? Integration of x dx. This is also property that which is the constant? 3. Take out 3 into integration of 1 by x dx. Just now I have discussed the property integration of k into f of x dx equal to k into integration of f of x dx. Now we know the standard formula. By using standard formula, integration of x, it is the form of x raised to n. So integration of x is x square by 2 plus 3 constant. Integration of 1 by x log x. After finishing integration, just add c. It's enough. No need to add here c, here c. 2 times c not necessary. 1 time is enough. So this is. If you apply differentiation, this you will get this answer. Are you following? X square by 2 differentiation is 2x. 2 to get cancel x. 3 log x differentiation is 3 by x. Constant derivative. That is, after getting the answer, we can check it. If you apply differentiation this, it should get this. If not get this, the answer is wrong. Are you following? See, d by dx of x square by 2 plus 3 log x plus c. Differentiation. X square by 2 differentiation is x. 2x by 2 get cancel x. Plus 3 log x differentiation is 1 by x. This is same or not? Next, integration e raised to x plus 3 by x cube plus minus 2 sin x dx. Integration of e power x dx plus integration of 3 by x cube dx by property plus minus u plus v method minus integration of 2 sin x dx. Some students, be careful, they will write like this e power x, they will neglect dx. If you write like this, meaningless. Integration function dx with respect of what? Compulsory you should add it. You should write that. If not write means that is wrong concept. You will lose the marks also. When you split, you should write dx. You are not split the whole function dx. Okay? Now e power integration of e power x dx. Here the constant is 3. Integration of 1 by x cube. How we can find? X power minus 3 dx. X raised to n. Minus 2 constant integration of sin x dx. E power x integration e power x plus 3. X power minus 3 integration x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. Minus 2 integration of sin x minus cos x. Okay, integration is over plus c. Okay, so the answer is e raised to x plus minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So minus 3 by 2 x power minus 2 plus 2 cos x plus c. This we can write 3 by 2 x squared. 3 by 2. Next, integration 2 power x plus 3 by 1 plus x squared minus cos x dx. Okay, integration of 2 power x dx plus 3 constant integration of 1 by 1 plus x squared dx minus integration of cos x dx. Okay. Tell me 2 power x integration which in the form of standard formula or not? Yes, which in the form of a raised to x. A raised to x integration a power x by log a. Then 2 power x integration 2 power x by log 2 base a. Plus what about integration of 1 by 1 plus x squared dx? Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Minus integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Integration of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Integration of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Integration of ax square dx plus integration of bx dx plus integration of c dx. What is the constant here? A, integration of x square dx plus b constant integration of x dx plus c constant integration of dx. A x square integration x cube by 3 plus B x integration x square by 2 plus C integration of dx is x. So constant already C there, so we put another constant and the C another constant name is D. Anyone you can put it. Generally we add C, we consider C, but C already is here. So you select another option. D, K, anyone you can. K also you can take it. Root x plus 3 by root x dx. So which is equal to integration of root x dx plus integration of 3 by root x dx. Integration of root x means x power 1 by 2 dx. 3 constant 1 by root x. Which form it contain? X raised to n. 1 by root x we can write x power minus 1 by 2 dx. So x power 1 by integration x raised to n formula. Integration of x raised to n. Integration of x raised to n dx formula. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Use this form. So x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 3 into x power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. It comes up 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus 3 into 2 6 root x. This we can let x root x also. 2 by 3 into x root x plus 6 root x. X root x power here 1. Here power is 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Ax plus b whole square. X plus b whole square. Right? First we have to expand. Don't use direct x square. Don't consider this as x square. Because in differentiation we have done like that. But integration, that way is wrong. Because which is not in the form of standard formula. What is standard formula? If you consider x raised to n, yes, this should be differentiation should be 1. Then only the formula should consider. Okay? Here what is the form? X raised to base is x. X derivative is 1. But here ax plus b differentiation is a. So that how to find we will get further class when you come to know that. So now don't compare with that. Understood? Because this differentiation is a, this differentiation is 1. Now don't compare. How to find this expansion? X plus b whole square. Ax whole square plus b square plus 2a dx. Integration of a square x square dx plus integration of b square dx plus integration of 2ab x dx. In this, what is the constant here? A square. A square into x square dx plus b square integration of dx plus 2ab integration of x dx. A square x square integration x cubed by 3 plus b square integration of 1 dx x plus 2ab integration of x square by 2 plus one more. Integration of 2 by root of 1 minus x square minus 10 by cube root x plus 7 dx. Right? 2 constant here. 2 into integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x squared dx minus 10 constant integration of 1 by cube root of x plus 7 integration of 1 dx. 2 1 by root of 1 minus x square integration is sin inverse x or minus cos inverse x. Anyone you can write it. Your choice is. In exam, if you write cos inverse x minus or sin inverse x, both answers correct. Look like different, form different, but answer is same. 10. This 1 by cube root of x, how to find? This take out x power minus 1 by 3 dx. Okay, plus 7 integration. 7 is constant, integration of dx. 7x. Integration of 1 dx is x. 7 derivative 0, but 7 integration is 7x. Integration of b dx, bx. Integration of 5 dx, 5x. Okay, integration of 2 dx, 2x. 2 differentiation is 0, but integration of 2x with respect to x. Now 2 sin inverse x minus 10 x power minus 1 by differentiation x power minus 1 by 3 plus 1 means 2 by 3. Correct? By 2 by 3 plus 7x. Constant is this constant. Integration of tan squared x dx, which is very important. Tell me the way of finding. Tan square x, is it in the standard formula? What formula is in the standard formula? Integration of secant square x dx is there. Integration of cosec square x dx is there. Integration of sin x. Integration of cos x. Integration of sec x into tan x. Integration of cosec x into cot x. No tan square x in this. Then how can you find this? Sin square x by cos square x. Okay. Integration of sin square x by cos square x. Next step. Is it possible to separate sin square x dx by integration of cos square x dx? Possible? No. There is no property like this. Okay. Then after that, what to do? Sin square x not in the standard formula, cos square x not in the standard formula. Always you compare with the standard formula. Okay, standard formula no sin square x, no cos square x. Only sin x is there, cos x is there, secant square x, cosec square x. Next integration of sec x into tan x and integration of cosec x into cot x. So always you think towards the standard formula. If any problem is given, how to convert into the standard formula. That way you think it. Tan square x. Tan square x, there is no formula, but is it possible to convert into these formulas? Yes. By trigonometric identity, secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. Then tan square x equal to secant square x minus 1 dx. This is the formula. Secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. Identity. Trigonometric identity. Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. And cosec square x minus cot square x equal to 1. Secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. Now this formula is in the standard formula. Yes. 1 dx we can find it. Spread in here. Integration of secant square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. Integration of secant square x tan x. This is tan x. Integration of 1 dx x plus c. This is the answer. Are you following? The most important is tan square x. Next. Tan cot square x. Similarly, cot square x is there in this formula? No. Now think towards formula. To get the standard formula, okay, easily you can write the answer. Okay, there is no standard formula. This formula is not in the standard formula, but we can make how integration of cosec square x minus 1 dx. Okay, so integration of cosec square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. Cosec square x integration minus cot x minus 1 integration x plus c. Yes, you see, we got it tan square x integration, we have done, cot square x we have done, cosec square x we know formula, sec square x integration tan x, and cosec square x integration minus cot x. We don't know sin square x dx and cos square x dx. This is to further make it, because sin square x, if you want to convert 1 minus cos square x, but cos square x not get the standard formula. Are you following? So these two will discuss later, because this is you have done by using standard formula. Secant square x minus 1 because secant square x formula we know, but sin square x we can't convert into the standard formula. 1 minus cos square x, but cos square x also not in the standard list. So those such questions we will discuss later. So that's why very important standard formulas. Standard formulas, if you neglect, problem, the way of finding, you can't get anything. Always, by doing the problem, think towards the standard formula list. Is there? If not there, is it possible to convert in that? If not there, if both not possible, then other methods. Other method further will come to that. Don't create without